This is a quick video about how to find the longest side of anything on the grid. Well, you're provided with like these kind of numbers are basically the points on the graph, right? Well, if you're just given the graph, then you can just like count it out and there you go. But if you're given just the numbers, right, then you have to do this formula right here. You line up the x at the x1, which is any x you're given, minus the other x, or if you have multiple, the two numbers you're doing first. It doesn't matter if it has to be in this order or if it's the other way around, as long as you're consistent with with having the first x, which is 1 or 2, be with y 1 or 2, then you subtract the other one. Then the numbers you get from that, the product, you just plug into the this formula, which is one letter, then plus one letter squared plus the other letter, which is any number you got from these two, squared equals d squared. Then you get the number, you square root both of them to get the exponent out. Then you're left with the number for the distance between them. Number 25 is basically the same thing, except you're gonna line up A and B because they're a triangle. So let's say right here, this is a triangle. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Well, we're doing A, B first. So it's A, B. So basically, we get this information right here, this line and this, to find this line right here. Once you found it, you go on to the next one. You do B and C. Well, B and C, that will be B, C. Then you find this line. Then you think that's all that's the whole thing, but then you forgot. If you go here, then you forgot one line, which is right here, and that is C. You go all the way back to A, and you basically do the same formula for each one, which is the one we did over here. And that's how you find it. For the last one, if it's a rectangle, these lines on the side has to be parallel, and they also had all the side had to, like, each diagonal side has to equal the other side. So it's 2, 2, 4, 4, and you just gotta count up and over for the if they're both like the same, so you can see if they're parallel. And that's how you found if it's a rectangle, and that's how you do the whole thing.